All right. We'll be given a lot of signals and signs with this word because Master Azerbaijani word of the day has İşarə. İşarə. İşarə can mean a lot of things. Some of them are signal, gesture, hint, sign, or mark. Let's explore them a little more closer in phrases and sentences. So, phrases first. To give a signal, hand gesture, question mark. Let's see what do they mean. İşarə vermək. Vermək, literally to give. To give a signal, işarə vermək. Spoken language, not vermək, but vermək. El işarəsi, el is a hand. İşarəsi, si suffix is off the hand, basically, gesture off the hand gesture. Sual işarəsi, same here, question mark. Sentences, ready? O dayanmak için işarə verdi. He or she gave a signal to stop. To stop, dayanmak için. O, we know, he, she, or it. İşarə verdi, gave a signal. O, dayanmak için işarə verdi. Another sentence. Müəllim qapıya tərəf işarə etdi. The teacher gestured toward the door. Müəllim, the teacher. Qapıya tərəf, toward the door. Qapı, door. Qapıya, to the door. Tərəf. Tərəf means literally side. Basically, to the side of the door. Gestured. Well, better sentence would be the teacher gestured toward the door. Etdi is the word, comes from etmek, to do. Mek is the suffix that literally means to. Remove it, we keep the imperative. Et means do, etdi, did. Okay? Past tense. Now, that was the regular uses of işarə. Ready for dad joke use? This is an obvious işarə that our plan is not working. The reason I'm giving you the sentences, mostly in English, with just the word usage, that I believe it will help you to remember the word faster, longer, better. All right? And if you are interested in learning even more, make sure to check masterazerbaijani.com or Master Azerbaijani app in App Store. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.